morning. How's everybody this morning? Well, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my greenhouse, how it's growing, and I've got to start transplanting a few things. We're going to make easy cinnamon rolls. That's right, easy cinnamon rolls, and I'm going to pan you down, make sure I got all the ingredients, so get a cup of tea. I'll be right back. Okay, we want to make sure our hands are nice and clean and make sure you give it a 20-second good wash. Okay, I'm going to put everything in the description box what you need below. You need Bisquick, whole milk, margarine or butter, sugar, and cinnamon. And you need a muffin tin buttered up, which I already have done. This is the Bisquick, the cinnamon, the sugar, the butter. This is the original Bisquick, and some milk. So you need a ruler because you want to roll this up to about a 12 by 7 is what they're saying. Okay, and then we're going to slice the rolls and put them in the pan. So let's get started. Let me move this over, just like this. We got the oven heating to 425. And you want to stir the Bisquick and the milk together. Okay, there it goes, just like that. And we're using my Grammie'S spoon. So that's good. We're just gonna stir this together, just like this. And it's supposed to form a soft dough. Now I have never made these. I'm trying to do some recipes I've never made before. It says the dough's supposed to be soft. To me, this looks a little liquefied, but we shall see what's going to happen. It says 2 cups of original Bisquick. Stir Bisquick and milk until a soft dough forms. Well, I'm going to get a whisk here. See if that'll make a difference. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We shall see. Might have to add some more in. We'll see. This is one of my favorite whisks. Just like this. Still seems a little bit to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little more Bisquick in. A little dab will do ya. Now this is being done with a Grammie'S twist now. Because I don't like the way it's forming. I know what dough is supposed to look like. Of course, it doesn't want to cooperate with this darn shoulder that I got, but soft dough form. And then you want to put the dough onto a surf dusted with Bisquick. Wow, tell you what, to me it needs more. I don't like to bang my pans. Now, you can make the dough to your consistency, but I'm going to make it to what I think it should be for consistency. My grandmother always taught me not to bang the bowls. Back in her day was the Depression day. If you cracked a bowl, it was very hard to buy. Okay. Looks like it may take a little time to get what I want here. And Pumpkin's at the door wanting to get in, so that ought to do it. So I'll bring you back when I got the dough just right. Okay, I ended up putting about another cup in, so I'm going to say I added like a cup and a half to what was here. Now I consider this a soft dough, maybe a little dry, but it's workable. And it said you want to knead it. It says knead it for 10 minutes. So I don't know about that with this shoulder that I got, but we'll knead it good. We'll knead it right in, just like that. So you all know what kneading is. See how nice that dough's getting. I will bring you back when I get ready to make it into the log. Okay, I want you to see how beautiful that dough looks. Look, pushes in, comes right back out. Nice, soft dough. That's what you want to look for in consistency. Excuse me. So we're going to take the dough and now we're going to make it into a log. And it's going to be, what did they say? Make it about 12 by 7. And then we need to cut 12 pieces. So we'll see what we got here. I got a kitchen ruler right here. I love it. My son bought it for me. We got a ways longer to go. I'm pushing it out. I'm not rolling it out. I am a big person on pushing your dough unless you've got to roll it. Just like this. And then once we get this rolled to 12 inches, got a couple more to go. We want to put butter on top and then put sugar. And then I have an icing we're going to put on after. So stay tuned for that. Excuse me. There, it's looking really good. We must be pretty darn close. We're about 7. Hope everybody's staying in and being well, only going out to get your essentials that you absolutely need. I'm pretty well stocked up. Mr. R gets whatever I need because he has to work every day. So, just a little bit more. Just like that. If we get 7, see what we got. There we go. We got 7. Now we're going to roll it. This is to roll it. Just like this. We're going to see what happens. You know what? I'm doing it with my twist. We're supposed to be putting some sugar and butter. Oh, I'm going to fill this just like this because this says put over the top. Again, this is my twist. Like I always say, you never know what's going on my videos. I'm going to be doing a trivia here in a day or two. There's 12 inches right there. And it's going to be questions about me, and I'm going to be giving a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Now it says slather it all up with butter. I also buttered my pan, my muffin pan. I don't usually use butter on it, but I did today. And it said a tablespoon, slather it on. So that's what I'm doing. Slathering it on. Everything tastes better with butter. Wow. To me, that seems like an awful lot, but we shall see. And then, this is coat the top with the cinnamon and the sugar. Now see, had I not put that inside, can you imagine? I'm gonna roll it a little. Can you imagine how much sugar? That would be a wicked amount. Just like that. And I got a little bit in a container here that needs to be used up, so I'm gonna do that. Now, what do you think of Grammie's twist? I've got a bread cutter or cutter, whichever you want to use. Now we want 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should have found the center. 6, 7, 8. Gonna go smaller. Or we're just gonna wing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's a Grammie's wing it right there. There you have it. Here is a greased pan. How many times have I told you? Grammie does a lot of winging. We're gonna pinch it just like that. We're gonna set them in. The oven's going right now at 425. And we are going to bake these, let's see, how many minutes did it say here? 15 minutes. I haven't had breakfast yet, so this ought to taste pretty yummy. I just want to show you, look at that. Doesn't that look good? See, what I usually do is take a recipe. Like I said, I never done this before, and then I just put my twist on it. Just pushing it down a little. There you go. I'll bring you back when they're all done. Go get a new cup of tea. Okay, they're out of the oven, and I used some confectionery sugar, about a cup and a half. I just winged it. Make it to the consistency you like. We like ours a little thick. Why it's tanned, I used Mexican vanilla. I'll show you. I got it for $2 when I was there on vacation. I put everything away as it was cooking. $2 right here. Isn't that nice? Pint-sized vanilla. $2. Sure can't touch that. Pure vanilla. Smells so good. Okay. So then I put vanilla. And I put water and confectionery sugar. And like I said, make this to the consistency you want. And I decided to top it off with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Yep, that's right. I wasn't sure if this was the new one or not. So I like to take a little paintbrush. Just kind of do a little dab-a-do-ya like that. Just go right along. This is going to taste some good with a cup of tea. Look how good they came out. Perfect. Just perfect. And I will have one or a half of one. I have to watch my sugar, so there you go. And I'm going to show you how I put the little sprinkles on it. I'll plate it up and then I'll bring you back. Just like that. And we've got half. I don't know what that is, but take it out. Oh, I bet it's from my paintbrush. But right there. So I'll bring you back when I get it plated. There you have it. I decided to keep it in this plate. Doesn't that look pretty and yummy? So I'm going to try one and I'm going to bring it up and we're going to have a taste. There you go. I chose this one out of the plate here. They come out so good, didn't they? Well, let's see how they're going to taste. I tried to get the smallest one. Very good. I'm not going to eat too much because I'm not supposed to have sugar. But good. Cooked inside really well. It's moist inside. Look, I can squeeze it with my fingers. Whoops. Nice and cooked on the bottom. So if you like this video with a Grammie's twist, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure your bell's hit because some people aren't getting notifications. I don't know why. It's just a YouTube thing, I guess. But at the end of this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing later in the day. I got some potting to do. I want to just give you a quick look at my plants. So have a great day, stay safe, help as much as you can with making masks or whatever you can, and I hope you're staying home. Take care. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.